What's better, if you will? Is it better to deduct most of your expenses to minimize your tax liability, or do you want to show that money so that way when you go to a bank, you can show that you can handle the loan?
So here's the play, you ready? Okay. I recommend, the year that you're about to go apply for these loans and get these buildings and get these cars, that year we can recognize some high income, right? We can then go get the loans, and then once we get approved for the loans, we can go file an amended return, go recapture all those deductions, right? And then now you got the property, right? Now you got the cars or whatever, and then you file an amended return. It'll take you 6 to 8 weeks, but now you'll get all your money back.
Wait. And we can legally do this.
We can legally do this.
It is fraud to overreport your income to a bank to get a loan.
Wait. And we can legally do this. We can legally do this.
Yeah. All right, so JT kind of sounded the alarm, if you will, and not just figuratively, but literally sounded the alarm on this particular piece of content. Now, I have had a long-running love-hate relationship with these podcasts. The payola podcasts that allow content creators to pay to get on the platform. You're not getting on due to your credibility. You're being allowed on due to the size of the check that you cut so that you can get time with these platforms' captive audiences. Now, the reality of this is what you're doing is you're literally inviting the IRS into your front door to go ahead and open your books for the last 5 years to see exactly what you have and haven't been doing in your business. And I'm going to tell you right now, there's not a single business in America that wants the IRS going through their books because they will find some sort of issue. So if you really want to trigger the IRS, go ahead and follow this strategy. Don't realize any deductions so that you can report as much income as possible. Then you can go back and amend your returns in order to then realize those benefits of the deductions that you then took as a business the previous year. I can virtually guarantee you that if you do this, you will be looking at an audit and you will find yourself indebted to the IRS. And by the way, shout out to JT the Pocket Watcher. I'm a big fan, man. I'd love for you to take an in-depth look into this and release a piece with a bit more information on exactly what you see when it comes to stuff like this, man. Keep doing what you do. Listen, guys, if you like this video and you want to see more content just like it, make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so that you get alerts every time I drop a new video. Now, a lot of people who watch my content, just like most people in America, are facing credit challenges and don't really know what to do and don't know where to turn because you don't want to spend a whole bunch of money trying to fix your credit, but you want a viable option to make sure that you do the best job possible. A few months back, I dropped a brand new platform that will allow you to challenge anything on your credit that's inaccurate, unfairly reported, being reported untimely, or is unverifiable by the credit bureaus. And it will allow you to do it for a fraction of the cost of professional credit repair. I want you to go to beastdiy.com right now and check out your options. If it seems like it might be a good fit, give it a shot. Other than that, I want to thank you guys so much for your support because I know you can get your credit knowledge anywhere on the internet, but you're here with me. Be blessed.